Good morning, class. As you know, I have given you the holiday homework for completion the exercise. So from today we will do this work only. We will complete the exercise which one I have give you, and question answer we already completed, and I hope you have write it in your notebook that question answer. But that exercise which I am going to tell you now, that is you have to complete in your book only. Okay, so first chapter is growing plant. We will start now. On page number 10, there are true false. Plants are non-living things. False. Seeds are present inside flower. That is also false. Root absorb water and minerals from the soil. That is true. Outer covering of a seed is called sea leaf. That is false. Coconut and lotus seeds are dispersed by wind. That is also false. Now we'll go for this main exercise of the chapter, and in this exercise first one is tick the correct. Okay, so it tick the correct. That first question is seeds are present inside the, there are four option: leaves, fruits, flowers and roots. So right option is fruit. Second one, during germination and seedling gets food. During germination the seedling gets food from, the right answer is cotyledon. Maple and cotton seeds are dispersed by, question number 3, that right option is wind. Okay, number 4, which of the following seed is dispersed by water? That is answer coconut. That is right answer. Number 5, which part of bryophyllum plant give rise to new plants? So by leaf the new plants will come out in the bryophyllum group. So right answer will be the leaf. Now fill-ups. In fill-ups there are, you have to tick on correct word. So plants are dash things. So plants are living thing, you all know from the first class you are reading this, studying about it. Number 2, a seedling gets water and minerals from the soil through roots. Seedling roots से क्या उनको मिलता है? Water and minerals. So seedling gets water and mineral from soil through roots. Number 3, maple seeds have wing-like structure. Okay, right answer is wing-like. Number 4, lotus plants has a spongy light fruit which can float on the water. Lotus plant, you have seen always lotus plants is floating on the water. So because of spongy lightweight. Okay. Number 5, cotton grows well in black soil. Answer is black. Now let's do say we will do only one. We will do this one also. A number you have to put the numbers by yourself. I have already putting here. First number is plugging, then irrigation, then seedling, seedling, then third number is this, fourth and 5. You have to put step by that order in number, but it is not come in exam. Okay, this is only for your knowledge. Now question number 8, circle the odd one. You have to circle it. So in first one, mango, rose, wheat, coriander. The rose is odd one here. Okay, why it is odd one? Because by the, how will grow rose? That all three will grow by the seed, but rose is growing by different type. We have studied it here in this chapter by stem. rose will grow by stem. A stem is cut from the mother plant and then will plant and then it will grow. So because of that, that is odd one here. Number 2, money plant is the odd one here. Number 3, sweet potato odd one. Number 4, cotton is odd one here. Maple, cotton, mango and dandelion, that is mango is odd one. Okay, so chapter 1 is fully complete. If you are having any issue, you can write, you can write on the group, and that is query time is 9 to 11. Thanks.